Hi guys, this next section is the beginning of 3.2. 3.2 is going to have two parts to it though. So you'll do the first part across today and tomorrow, and then you do the second part at the end of the week. The graded assignment will be at the end of the week. Okay, so this is all about writing equations. So we're going to start with writing equations in slope-intercept form. So remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Okay, when given slope and a point. So in the last section, we wrote it in slope-intercept form when given a graph. So now we're going to just be given slope and a point. Okay, so this is like a worked out example. I'm going to follow through the same thing it does, just off to the side here, so you can follow with me. So if I tell you that the slope is -1/2, that's your m, and we have the point, and we have the point -3, 2. So, like I said before, we know that y equals mx plus b. We are told that m is -1/2, and they give us a point, -3, 2. Well, they didn't give us the b, but they gave us an ordered pair. So they gave us an x and a y, technically. So if you look here, there are 4 unknowns. 1, 2, 3, 4. They gave us 3, so if we fill those in, we can find the b value, because that's what we really need filled in, the m and the b. So if we fill in y is 2, m is -1/2, x is -3, and then plus b, we don't know. That's what we're looking for. Okay? So if we do this multiplication here, -1/2 times -3 is 3/2, or if you want to turn that into its decimal, 1.5. So to get b by itself, we would need to subtract that to the other side. Once again, if you do the 3/2 or the 1.5, it doesn't matter. So what's left then is 1/2, or 0.5 if you want to do the decimal. So that's our b value. So now your final answer, all you fill in is the m and the b. So y equals -1/2 x plus 1/2. Or you could totally make the b 0.5. It doesn't matter to me. Okay? Let's go through another one. So here they told you the m is 3/2 and the point is 2, -7. They want the equation of the line. So y equals mx plus b. This is the m, this is the x, and this is the y. So let's start. The y is -7, the m is 3/2, the x is 2, okay, and we're looking for the b. So now let's do this multiplication. You can use a calculator if you need to. Okay, so 3/2 times 2 is just 3 plus b. So to solve for b, let's subtract 3 to the other side. So we have -10 equals b. Yes. Okay, so now let me stress this. Okay, you only want to fill in the m and the b to the final answer. Okay, so the m is 3/2 x, and then the b is a -10. Okay, one more. Okay, they gave us the m, this is the x, and the y. So let's fill in. Y is 5, m is -2, x is -2, and then plus b. So this is 4. So to solve for b, subtract the 4 over, and you simply have 1 equals b. So final answer, fill in m, so y equals mx, and then the plus b. Now, real quick side note that I want to address. If I told you that the m were 0 and it goes through the point 1, 2. So let's just add this on real quick, sorry. M equal to 0 means that we have a horizontal line. And a horizontal line means that we only have a y equals equation. And think about it. If you were to fill in m is 0, that would knock this whole piece out, because anything times 0 is 0. So if you would fill in, okay, so y is 2, m is 0, so it doesn't even matter what x is, because anything times 0 is 0, plus b, so your b is just 2. So when you fill in your equation, it's just going to be y equals 2, because the m part is gone. Okay? Also, real quick, sorry, let's do the other special case here. If I told you that your m is undefined and it goes through the point 1, 2, that means you have a vertical line like this. And a vertical line like that means you have just an x equals a number equation, right? And in this case, it would just be the x value that they give you. So x equals 1. Okay? All right, you're going to have 2 different types of practice. You'll have some practice in the file below and some in Delta Math. I will have office hours Tuesday and Thursday this week, or at any time if you need extra practice. Please reach out at all if you need any help. I hope you guys are doing well.